Bevel in Blender is quite important to give realism after modeling. And though the process is simple, you might have some issues doing it. Like if you're doing a basic table model and your haste to bevel those sharp edges, you might find it not working as it should, or as you saw in a tutorial. It's not even on all sides, and that looked terrible. 'Cause if we drop a bevel on the default cube, all sides should be chamfer equally with the bevel amount, and that's related to the scale, which is set to 1 cause we didn't scale this cube before. But if I start stretching the cube on one direction, that axis will have a different bevel amount based on the scale difference across those axes. Bottom of line, for equal bevel amount on all side, you need the object scale to be 1 on all axes, and fixing this is easy. Just hit Ctrl-A in object mode and apply scale, or from the object menu where you have the same apply scale option. Now we have the right bevel on the table, and if it looks weird after you shade smooth it, open the Shading tab in Bevel and click the Harden Normal options. Next issue you might face is when you add a bevel, but the amount is fixed to a small area of effect, and no matter how much you add, nothing will change after that limit, and this issue goes back to your cuts on the models. Like in this cube, the bevel will go fine as long you increase the amount. However, if I add a cut on it with any tool, the bevel will be limited to the space between the main edge and the new cut, and that will apply to all the edges when using the bevel modifier. So in those cases, there will be an area on this door where some edges are close together. To cross that limit, you need to uncheck the clamp overlap in the bevel geometry. Now this will cause an issue if you go wild with it, but to just increase the bevel to a small amount over the limit, thing won't be that bad. So you need to manage that once you uncheck the overlap options. Last issue you might face is when you add a bevel, but nothing happen. No different spacing, no small limited bevel, nothing. Even if you turn the clamp overlap option, you get nothing, and that's problematic. Then you turn the wireframe and see a mess like this, which is common when importing OBJ or FBX from other software. So what's the issue here? The problem is we have lots of non-manifold edges in this object, all of them to be exact, and that's why the bevel is not working. You see with the Divine Cube, the normal is that it's manifolded already, yet if you pick an edge and extrude it to a new direction, meaning this edge is now connected to 3 faces, it will be a non-manifolded, and once you add a bevel on the cube, the edge will not be chamfered. The fix in the cube case is to remove the new face if possible, but with the box object we have, we can't just delete it all. So what you're going to do is go into edit mode, hit A to select all, then hit M and merge by distance. This way, we delete all the overlapping vertices, and with the clamp overlapped turned off, we can manage the amount for a great-looking bevel on those crazy topology. It's not the best option, but you can go into this pop-up video to see the other options you have for doing bevel. Like and sub before you go there, and have fun. Stay sharp. Goodbye.